XO, let's get it.
Hey yo, my brother, hot off.
Good morning, Knights. It's time to stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Good morning, Knights. I'm Uncle Jojo.
And I'm Clarisse.
With today's bulletin. The bulletin's on. So, you ever heard of Tyler, the Creator?
Definitely not.
Ever heard of Earthquake?
Sure.
Earthquake 3.7 at 108. Did you feel it last night? Well, I guess it was this morning, but did you feel it?
Definitely not.
Why?
Because I was sleeping.
Oh.
Let's see what's happening around BHS. Open house takes place tonight from 5 to 6:30. Parents and students can visit teachers in their classrooms and even find out about clubs at BHS.
Freshman class officer election packets are available at the activities window. Election for freshman officers will be held October 5th during night skills, so prepare to record your candidate speech and get involved.
Yearbook class is already beginning to plan and prepare this yearbook's. You may prepay for your yearbook and save money. If you purchase your yearbook by September 30th, you pay only $36.84. That's 15% off of the regular price to purchase your yearbook. Use the QR code you see on the screen.
Key Club has their first meeting Thursday in the Commons after school. If you have any questions, see Miss Irish in room 232.
GSA's first meeting on the year will be next Monday in room 231. If you have any questions, you are encouraged to stop by Miss Kreischer's room in 321, and you are welcome to come see what is going on in GSA.
French Club will have their first meeting of the year tomorrow, right after school in room 246. The club will be eating crepes and listening to French music. You don't have to be in French to participate in the class. French Club is welcome to anyone.
And if you're not going to French Club, perhaps you want to check out Jamming Club. Jamming Club with Senor Fleitas starts tomorrow right after school in room 248. Bring your instrument or no instrument at all. Make some music and have some fun.
Students, do you need somewhere to study after school? Night Academy will start next Tuesday. Night Academy is lasting an hour and a half after school every day, except for Monday and Friday. So that's Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Night Academy is open to all students who are respectful of the space and intended to be somewhere where people can read, study, and socialize safely with their peers. See Mr. Thompson if you need any homework help, and students that need volunteer hours are encouraged to be tutors to subjects they feel comfortable in. For more information, see Ms. Hogue or Mr. Thompson in the library.
All right, let's take a look at who is celebrating their birthday today. Happy birthday to Destiny De La Cruz, Rick Anthony Guerrero, Emma Irons, Adrian Ortiz, Jaden Payne, Levi Toso, and Logan Williams. Happy birthday, Knights.
Well, there you have it for today's Bulletin, Knights. Have an amazing Thursday. And go Knights!